LangStories.
Dad.
My dad helps me with my homework every night.
Beard.
My dad has a long beard on his face.
Below.
The cat is sleeping below the table.
Conversation.
I had a conversation with my friend about our favorite games.
Dictionary.
I use a dictionary to find the meaning of new words.
Jeans.
I like to wear jeans and a t-shirt when I go to the park.
Life.
Life on the farm is busy and fun.
Man.
The man in the red hat is my uncle.
Nationality.
My friend's nationality is Canadian. He comes from Canada.
Nose.
My cat has a little pink nose.
Paint.
We used bright colors to paint the walls of our house.
Part.
I like the part of the story where the hero saves the day.
Pig.
The pig on the farm likes to roll in the mud.
Plant.
There is a green plant on the table in my living room.
Rice.
We had rice and vegetables for dinner last night.
River.
The river near our village is very clean.
Understand.
I understand my teacher when she explains the lesson.
Village.
I live in a small village with friendly people.
Walk.
I like to walk to school with my friends.
Tonight.
We are going to watch a movie tonight.
There.
Their house is the one with the red door. A farmer family in the village. Tom lives in a small village with his family. His dad is a farmer. He has a long beard and always wears jeans when he works on the farm. Their village is next to a river, and many farmers live there. Every morning, Tom and his dad walk to the fields to take care of the plants. They grow rice, vegetables, and take care of animals like pigs. Life in the village is simple but busy. There's always something to do. One day, Tom asked his dad, "Dad, why do we grow rice and not something else?" His dad smiled and said, "In our village, rice grows best. It's a big part of our life." After their work, Tom and his dad have conversations about the farm and the world. Tom loves to learn new things. He uses his dictionary when he doesn't understand a new word. His dad likes to paint sometimes, and Tom helps him paint the barn. Tonight, after their long walk and work, the family will sit down for dinner. They will eat rice and vegetables from their farm. Tom feels proud of their hard work. Where does Tom's family live? They live in a small village. What do Tom and his dad grow on their farm? They grow rice and vegetables. What is Tom proud of? His family's hard work. What does rice represent for Tom's family? A big part of their life.